Hello friends, I am Anil Kore. Welcome to my channel Maths Tips for You. In this video we are going to see some more examples on area under the curve. In my last videos we have solved different types of examples on area under the curve. Before watching this video, please watch my all these videos starting from part 1 to part 4, the link of which is given below in the description. Example: find the area enclosed between the curve between the circle x square plus y square is equal to 1 and the line x plus y is equal to 1 lying in the first quadrant. The curve circle is x square plus y square is equal to 1 is standard equation circle whose center at the origin and radius is 1. The line x plus y is equal to 1. Solution: here the circle is a standard circle. Its equation is x square plus y square is equal to 1. First we find the point of intersections of the circle and the line. Here from the equation of line we put y is equal to 1 minus x in the equation of a circle, x square plus y square, y is 1 minus x bracket square is equal to 1. Therefore, x square plus 1 minus 2x, expansion of 1 minus x bracket square, 1 minus 2x plus x square is equal to 1. 1 get cancelled. X square plus x square, it is become 2x square minus 2x is equal to 0. 2x is common, so it is x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, 2 is not equal to 0, therefore x is 0 or x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 1. When x is equal to 0, from equation of the line y is equal to 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. Therefore, and when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So, the point of intersections are when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0, we call it A, 1, 0, and when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1, it is B, 0, 1. Therefore, the point of intersection of the line x plus y is equal to 1 and the circle x square plus y square is equal to 1 are the first point A, it is 1, 0 which is on the x-axis, and another point B is 0, 1 which lies on the y-axis. Now, the required area enclosed between the circle x square plus y square is equal to 1 and the line x plus y is equal to 1 is this area. So this area, that is bounded by the circle and bounded by the line. Therefore, required area is equal to A is the area of shaded region. Shaded region. Therefore, A is equal to area bounded by the circle, area bounded by the circle, and lines x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Subtracting area bounded by the line x plus y is equal to 1 and lines x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. So this is equal to integration 0 to 1 y dx bounded by the circle minus integration of 0 to 1 area bounded by the line y dx. Now from the equation of a circle, the equation of a circle is x square plus y square is equal to 1. Therefore, y is equal to, y square is equal to 1 minus x square. So therefore, y is equal to plus or minus under root of 1 minus x square. We are asked to find the area of the region in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, therefore, we take the positive value. So this is equal to integration 0 to 1 under root of 1 minus x square dx minus integration the area bounded by the line y is equal, x plus y is equal to 1. So 0 to 1. So here 1 minus x dx. Now, in order to find the definite integral of under root of 1 minus x square, we know the formula integration of under root of a square minus x square dx is equal to x by 2 under root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x upon a. Using this, the integration of under root of 1 minus x square is x under root of 1 minus x square plus 1/2 sine inverse of x only 0 to 1 minus integration of 1 is x and x is x square upon 2 from 0 to 1 is equal to, putting x is equal to 1, under root quantity 1 minus x square become 0, so this term is become 0, 0 plus 1/2 sine inverse of 1. Now putting x is equal to 0, this quantity is become 0, sine inverse of 0 is 0, so whole term is 0, minus putting x is equal to 1, it is 1, minus 1 square upon 2, putting x is equal to 0, whole term is again 0, so this is equal to sine inverse of 1 is pi by 2, so this is 1 half into pi by 2 minus 1 minus 1 half, so this is equal to pi by 4 minus 1 half, 1 minus 1 half is 1 half, so it is 1 half. So this is the square unit. It is this is the required area of the area enclosed by the circle x square plus y square is equal to 1 and the line x plus y is equal to 1. About in this video, in my next video, I shall discuss solution of some more complex example on area under the curve. Please pass your comments and suggestions. Your suggestions are valuable to me. Thanking you for watching my